Side slide maximum controlled Milwaukee utility knife. So there's a Milwaukee, feels like metal all over it, and there's a little push and slide. So this is safety unless I push it down. Ooh, there's a 1, 2, 3. So 3 settings. I could even hear them click. So 1, just opening packages so the contents of the box does not get broken. A little bit bigger, and obviously breaking up multiple boxes and recycling them. And I love how small that is. And there's a safety to where it would have to be pushed and pull forward. That is awesome utility knife. And to replace the blade, of course, push it forward, push the button, remove it, flip it over, and just slide it in. That is so simple. And put it back in. That is amazing. Aircrafted, there's a really cool products they make. This one is carabiner. So how does this work? It pulls up just like a carabiner. Wow, check this out. So smooth, and locks it in here, and there's a secondary latchet right here. For example, if we put the key to here, then we can slide it into here so they don't come off. They stay here clipped in and out, stays in here, so none of the key rings will come out from here because they'll be locked in here. Wow. And that looks like a brass, aircrafted, looks like a little airplane, rocket. Very smooth, so easy to open and close it. And again, all the keys will slide in into here. What a cool little keychain. This is a mini. I think there's also a bigger one too. Everyone. So there's a flashlight, E1 and E3, eagle eye. So there's a clip with notches. It could go all the way to the back or closer to this side. Takes a little practice to lock it in, but it is simple. So could be a cap light. That's cool. Remove that and this, and just should slide out pretty easily. That's it. Nice. No scratches or anything. So what's so cool about it? This side here should open and twist, and there's a AAA batteries access, or could be charged. So in case the charging run out, I can quickly replace the battery. So here's in the darkness on the AAA batteries, double on this one will be flashing, turn it off, and it's on the AAA batteries. And if I press it multiple times, now that I unlock it, now it's on a rechargeable battery. Okay, 4 clicks and it will change into different battery. There it is. Now it's on the AAA batteries. Double click, change the moods. Gotta play around with the moods to figure it out and learn it, but there is instruction on how to change the moods. Very bright flashlight, I love it. The best part about it, that is, if battery runs out, all I have to do is just push it together, open it, and replace the non-rechargeable battery, or it even will work onto a regular flashlight and it changes automatically, like automatically different battery. Wow, that's bright. New Artisan Cutlery, or CJR8. So this is good stuff right here. Let's open it up. Just came out. Okay. Button lock, pocket. There is for precision 4-finger cutter, or I can hold it this way. Beautiful. Mini. Look at that bottom lock. Probably for me, with my big hands, would be always the easiest to close it and open it with the button, but it is pretty easy to open it this way too. You know what, even with my big hands, I'll probably open it this way. I won't be flipping it or anything, but it is incredibly smooth. This way I can flick it out. Let's see. Yeah, just too small for my hands, but it is can be flicked this way too. Again, too small for my hands, but yeah, easy to open it with this finger stud over here too. Love that navy green pocket clip. There's a logo brand, other markings. Very cool design, and I love how miniature on it, perfect for everyday carry. Titanium keychain carabiner U4 Rovi van. So this is also a multi-tool. Okay, opens up right here. There's instruction, bunch of replacing blades. Those are easily available everywhere. So there's a double carabiner. One goes into here onto the pocket, and key chain rings will go into here. And what's in here is a blade. Very nice. And to replace this blade is simply by, let's see, lifting this up. Let's see if I can get it done, and pulling it out. It's pretty simple. Wouldn't be doing it every day anyways. This blade will last a while, just simple as that. And slide it back in, a different one. So it's over 1 centimeters ruler. Close it back up, and it slides in and hides out. Very cool carabiner multi-tool. And another Rovi carabiner. There's a replacement blade, a multi-tool. This one is even better. Same thin feature. Ooh, even smoother carabiner for the like a belt loop or whatever, and for the keychain links is going to go in here. But this one have 2 flippers. First of all, there's a knife, and second, it's tighter. Let me close this one just in case. Oh man, is it locked in or something? Interesting. I'm trying to figure it out how to open it. Oh, there's a button, there's a safety button. There it is. All I have to do is push it, and boom, very easy to open it. That is so awesome. Flat head, Phillips head, beautiful. Lock it back up, and again, to close it, there's a safety button. It just boom, so smooth. U4 Pro titanium, very lightweight because it's a titanium. And same thing, this side here will be pretty easy to replace. Pull it out, slide a new one in, and there's a whole bunch of replacements comes with. Very important, it's lined up. There it is. Gotta line it up all the way, and it lock in and put away. Beautiful keychain carabiner multi-tool. CRT CEO. I love this one. So looks like fish scale, as big as a pen, maybe a little bit more rigid, but I like that design. Nice soft clip, and there's a thumb stud, so just push it to the side and we'll flick it open, and flick it open with a kick. And it's a liner lock, that's the name of it. Boom. Takes a lot of practice to figure out how to open it, but it is quite satisfying, and I love how small it is. Just perfect knife for everyday carry. I love it. I use them all the time. I use a little different model right here. It's so perfect. This one more of a flipper, this one a little bit different, and yeah, very stylish. CEO, CLKT. Can be opened pretty slowly, doesn't have to be flicked out, but you know, flicking it out is quite satisfying. Boom. Yeah, there it is.